Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how you can calibrate your Nintendo Switch Pro controller. So if you're experiencing drifting or inaccuracy with the sticks of the controller or with the motion sensors of the controller, you need to calibrate them all over again, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do just that. Now this is optional, but I recommend making sure that the Nintendo Switch Pro controller is connected to a power source, either to the docking station or using the power cable that comes with the Nintendo Switch. Next thing, go to your Nintendo Switch and tap the system settings icon. On the next screen, scroll down until you see controllers and sensors. After you've done that, move to the right side and tap update controllers. You need to make sure that you have the latest version on your controllers. Just make sure that your controllers are connected to a power source, so there won't be a situation when the update will be corrupted. Follow the steps there. If your controllers are already updated, you're going to see a message, so you won't need to do this again. Now let's go to Calibrate control sticks. Scroll down and tap Calibrate control sticks. Next, you need to follow the instruction of the app. As you can see here, it will show you press down on the stick that you want to calibrate. Do this for both sticks. Here you can see me calibrating the sticks. If I see that it's not calibrated, as you can see here, based on the instructions, I need to press X to recalibrate the stick so it can work properly. Another thing that is optional, you can calibrate the motion controls by just going back and choosing Calibrate motion controls and follow the instruction there. Then you will make sure that your controller in your Nintendo Switch is calibrated properly. So this is it. Hope you find this one useful. Consider subscribing and give this one a like. I see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.